Hello all. In this short video, I will be discussing what is bruxism, its symptoms, causes and how you can cure it naturally. What is bruxism? Bruxism is the involuntary habitual grinding of the teeth, typically during sleep. Several symptoms are commonly associated with bruxism, including hypersensitive teeth, aching jaw muscles and headaches. Bruxism is a habit that affects around 8 to 10% of the population. Suffering from bruxism and TMJ disorders doesn't only mean having a strong pain in the jaw. Unfortunately, there are many more symptoms associated with TMJ, and I'd like to highlight some of them here. These include gum disorders like gum recession, hypersensitive teeth, headache, tooth fractures, neck and shoulder pain, pain in the temporomandibular joints or the TMJ muscles. The causes of bruxism include clenching and grinding of teeth, anxiety disorders and stress, poor posture, attrition, which is caused by tooth-to-tooth contact, misalignment of the teeth or jaw, also known as malocclusion. Typical treatments that are used to cure bruxism include usage of dental devices such as occlusal splints, medications such as painkillers, muscle relaxants. These drugs carry risk of drug dependence and side effects. In severe cases, dental surgery may be required and arthroscopy. On the other hand, the natural cure includes eating the right foods that reduce tension of the TMJ muscles, following simple bruxism exercises such as breathing, neck, facial, mouth and throat, relaxation exercises and yoga, which would help you get instant relief from bruxism associated symptoms. Now here are the TMJ cures we discussed before. Usage of occlusal splints to ease the muscle tension in case of bruxism. Arthroscopic jaw surgery is performed to reshape the parts of the jawbone. The natural and healthy cure includes eating the right foods, performing natural exercises and yoga. Here are some foods that you should avoid in case you're suffering from bruxism or TMJ related disorders. These foods will only worsen your condition, so try to avoid. These include gums, ice cubes, carrot, beetroot, apple, or any crispy vegetables and hard fruits, nuts or dry fruits, crunchy crackers, gummy bears, steak. Here are a few healthy foods that are really helpful for you. Rice, green leafy vegetables, milk and milk products like yogurt, cottage cheese, soy milk, wheat flour and whole grain, fish and tomato. Now let us discuss a few bruxism exercises that are really helpful for you. The first exercise is the facial muscle exercise. Here are the steps to perform it. Stand straight. With the tip of your tongue, make circles of 8 on the roof of your mouth or the hard palate. Change directions after every 5 to 10 circles of 8s. Perform daily for 5 minutes. Here is a jaw exercise that is really helpful. Here are the steps to perform this. Place fist below jaw. Resist downward movement of chin. Hold for 10 seconds. Relax. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Next up is the neck exercise. Here are the steps to perform it. Start bringing your chin slowly towards your chest. Stay in this position for a few seconds. Release. Repeat 5 to 10 times. This exercise can also be done moving your head side to side as well. Relaxation exercise. Stand straight. Open your mouth wide and tilt your head back. Deeply inhale and expand your ribs out. Exhale like one yawns. This is a great way to relax and reduce tension in the muscles. Here are a few healthy tips for your TMJ associated disorders. Maintain a good sitting posture while at work. Eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Morning walk and simple stretching exercises are really helpful. Laugh and stay happy. Put a smile on your face always. Don't chew gum or consume any aerated drinks. Cure bruxism naturally. For a complete set of exercises and detailed instructions on how to perform the exercises, visit curebruxism.co.nf or the link in the video description. Here's what you would get at our website. Complete exercises regimen you need to follow to completely cure your bruxism, teeth grinding and TMJ disorders naturally and forever. A detailed diet plan you need to follow. Eating right foods will help reduce tension in the TMJ muscles, restore your energy level and improve the quality of your life dramatically. Discover exactly how to achieve a good posture and the importance of gentle stretching and yoga, which are guaranteed to reduce your bruxism related symptoms significantly.